Hi, I'm Christina from Travels with Ted, and today I'm reviewing the new AI-powered RV trip planner, AdventureGenie. While the platform does offer some free features, many of the customizations and features I am showing you today require a pro subscription. The subscription costs $49.99 per year, but you can get 50% off your first year using our link, which you'll find in the description. Now, let's see how this AI trip planner works. Before you start planning any trips, you need to complete your profile so the AI knows a little bit about you. In the RV description, you put in a basic description of your RV so it knows which routes and campsites are appropriate. Then, in the preferences section, you can tell the Genie what types of things you enjoy doing on RV trips and fill out all of your campground preferences. For example, I could indicate that I only want to stay at full hookup campgrounds and like RV parks that have laundry facilities and dog parks. Back on the home page, there are two ways to trip plan with AdventureGenie. We'll start with custom trips, which are designed for when you already have a destination in mind and want to know the best route to get there. For example, I'm in South Florida right now, so I could ask AdventureGenie to show me the best route for a summer road trip to Yellowstone National Park, traveling an average of 400 miles per day. AdventureGenie automatically generates the best route and tells me where to stop along the way. At each stop, I can select stays to review campground options. I first look at two scores for each campground. The Genie score is based on camper reviews across sources, with higher being better. And the Genie match is how well the campground matches to my personal preferences. I can also see an AI-generated summary of each campground, a list of amenities, and links to book a reservation. I simply click the plus button to add the campground to my itinerary. Back on the main itinerary, I can add my dates for each day. Next, I'll go to the Activities tab to request recommendations for restaurants. I could also request recommendations for hikes, attractions, or anything else I want to see along the way. These activities get added to the itinerary so you have a complete trip planned. Having the activities in addition to your accommodations is one of the unique things about this tool. Once you have selected your campground dates and added your activities, you can save your trip, view it in the calendar, or share or download the trip details. Let's move on to the Personal Genie, the second and most exciting trip planning tool within AdventureGenie. Simply type a description of your perfect RV road trip and the AI will do the rest of the work. Today I'll ask my Genie to plan a unique road trip to some of my favorite types of destinations, wildlife viewing, and hot springs. I'll specify that I want to stay in the western part of the country. It usually takes less than a minute for the Genie to plan the entire trip, and I can see a list of stops as they are populated. The trip is almost fully planned. All I have to do is go in and review the campground recommendations and add in my trip dates. However, if I want to change something about the trip, that is easy to do as well. I just click on the Genie in the corner and tell her what I want to change, like adding a stop in the Grand Tetons. She will then confirm my requested change and update the itinerary accordingly. I can also change route preferences to control daily driving time and avoid tolls or tunnels. Overall, I think AdventureGenie did a great job planning the RV road trip. I might make slight adjustments, but it picked great destinations that I didn't have to research and suggested campgrounds that meet my needs. As a full-time RVer, this tool is going to save me hours and hours of trip planning time. If you don't have any clue what you want to do on your next RV road trip, AdventureGenie has a solution for you too. Genie trips are pre-planned itineraries that anyone can access. Pro members can review these pre-planned trips and customize them to create the perfect road trip for their family. Personally, I've been using AdventureGenie for a few months now, and I really love it. It saves me so much time trip planning, and it's given me some really unique ideas for great RV destinations that I hadn't considered before. A few things to note: it does not replace an RV GPS. While it does do RV-friendly routing, it doesn't give you turn-by-turn navigation, so we still use RV Life Pro for our GPS. If you want to learn more about AdventureGenie and use our 50% discount, see the link below and leave any questions in the comments. Happy camping!